This is Angus Grill's brand new website that we built for them right here at Red Shark Digital. And this is Spencer. He designed and prototyped the entire Angus website in a platform called Figma. Once that was done, he then handed off the project to this guy. Meet Mike. He's our developer. So he got to work developing a site using a development tool called Webflow, allowing the site to present the full Angus Grill menu and their location's information. Now let's take a look at the UI of the site. Notice this beautiful swipeable menu. A collapsible mega menu for easy navigation, and a high-res photo menu that showcases the savory goodness of these burgers. The new site doesn't just look better, it also performs better. Alright, what else did we do for Angus? We also did all of their branding, which included a complete logo revamp and collateral brand elements. You'll see more on this later. This was Angus Grill's previous logo. And this is the new and improved logo that Matt, our designer, made for them here. Now let's look at some mock-ups. We also made a social media kit for Angus Grill using Figma. The kit allows you to quickly and efficiently make changes to posts, text, and images for social. Last but certainly not least, we made all of Angus Grill's content as well. Just take a look at some of these shots we got. This is the new and improved Angus Grill, proudly made by the team here at Red Shark Digital.